How to download and install Audacity on Windows 10. So from your favorite web browser, go ahead and search up Audacity. Okay. And then from here, the first link that will usually pop up should be www.audacityteam.org. This is the one that we're going to select from. Okay. So go ahead and click on here. It'll bring up the main Audacity web page that you see. From here, we're going to go over to the download option and then select Windows, because we are doing this for Windows 10. If you're doing it for a Mac, though, of course, you would do Mac, and Linux, you could do Linux as well. Okay. So we'll go ahead and click on Windows. We'll notice that right here, it tells us that the current version is 2.3.3, and then gives a little bit some information about it. So what we'll be doing first here is to do the install. Okay, so we'll click on the Audacity 2.3.3 installer, includes user manual. This is important if you've never used Audacity before and you want to learn how to use it. So go ahead and click on that. Okay, that'll bring us to this web page here. Note that though, this is just an advertisement right here, so don't worry about that. Okay. And then right here, you'll see download Audacity Windows installer. Okay, so we're going to click on this, and then this is also where it will bring you if you're doing Mac or Linux as well. So we'll do Audacity Windows installer. Click on that. Okay, and then you'll notice that it even slightly puts a small little green arrow there for a second, and then gives you the Audacity Windows 2.3.3 executable file. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click on that. Give it a sec here, and then if you are the administrator on your device, you'll get this user account control screen. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to add this software to your machine, to which you'll say yes. Then give it a sec here, and then it will ask you to select a language that you want to use. We're good with English, so we'll hit OK. Otherwise, there are plenty of other languages in here for you as well. So hit OK. And I'll say, welcome to the Audacity Setup Wizard. This will basically go through the process of installing Audacity on your computer. So you'll just go ahead and hit next to continue. And you'll just read through the information here if you want. Go ahead and hit next, and then pick the file location for where you want to put your program. So I'm okay with putting it within my program files folder. So we'll go ahead and hit next. If not, you can always click the browse button and browse to the correct folder that you want within your computer. So we'll go ahead and hit next again. Already exists. So you'll get this if you already had Audacity installed at a previous point in time. If not, this pop-up won't occur for you. But for myself, who had it installed at a previous point in time, but then I had to remove it to free up some space, but now I'm going to be using it again, I'll just go ahead and hit yes. Okay. Now I'll ask you if you want to create a desktop shortcut, and if you had previous preferences, you can reset them here. So I'll go ahead and hit that as well, since I'm doing a fresh install. And then we'll go ahead and hit next. And then finally, we'll hit install. Now we'll go through the little status bar of installing the program. Now I'll let you know when it is complete. And if you need to submit any feedback or reach out for support, you hit next and then hit finish to launch the Audacity app. Okay. And then for myself, since I said reset preferences, this pop-up will pop up that says this is a one-time question after an install. We'll just hit yes, because I want to reset my preferences. Okay. And then let me bring over Audacity from my other monitor here. And then Audacity will pop up and we'll make this full screen. And then we'll also give you this little pop-up here that says, welcome to Audacity, yada yada yada. You can hit don't show this again next time at startup and just select OK. And now you have Audacity installed on your computer. For those who don't know what Audacity is, basically it's just a small little sound mixing app. You can do it to edit soundtracks that you already have or create new ones. So basically, I'll get more into it at a future point in time, but as of right now, this is how you download and install Audacity onto Windows 10.